Fitbit Luxe Fitness Tracker App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about fitness tracking is that it's not just about numbers, it's about how those numbers make you feel. The Fitbit Luxe and its companion app focus on just that, blending style, wellness, and data to create a more mindful fitness experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Fitbit Luxe app experience is all about balance. It tracks your steps, heart rate, sleep, and stress, but also helps you focus on mindfulness through guided breathing sessions and recovery insights. It's like having a personal health coach right on your wrist. The app's design is sleek and intuitive, with colourful visuals that make tracking progress actually enjoyable. One standout feature is the daily readiness score, which uses data from your sleep and activity levels to tell you when your body's ready to work out or when you should rest. Fitbit Premium, available through the app, adds guided workouts, detailed sleep analysis, and nutrition tracking, giving you an all-in-one health dashboard. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other apps like MyFitnessPal and Strava. Now, for the cons. While the Luxe is beautiful, its smaller screen can make detailed data hard to view directly on the device. Also, some of the best features like deeper insights and stress management tools are locked behind the Fitbit Premium subscription. In conclusion, the Fitbit Luxe Fitness Tracker app strikes a balance between beauty and brains. It's stylish enough for every day, yet powerful enough for tracking serious wellness goals. If you want a health tracker that motivates without overwhelming you, Luxe and its app deliver exactly that with elegance and purpose.